Welcome to our channel. If you're experiencing slow Wi-Fi speeds while using Etsy, follow these simple steps to optimize your connection and improve your browsing and selling experience. Step 1. Check your internet speed by using a speed test website to establish a baseline for your current connection performance. Step 2. Move closer to your Wi-Fi router or reposition it to a central location in your home to reduce signal interference and improve coverage. Step 3. Restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in to refresh the connection and clear any temporary issues. Step 4. Close unnecessary browser tabs and applications that might be consuming bandwidth while you're working on Etsy. Step 5. Clear your browser cache and cookies, as accumulated data can slow down page loading times significantly. Step 6. Update your browser to the latest version to ensure optimal performance and compatibility with Etsy's platform. Step 7. Switch to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band if your router supports it, as it typically offers faster speeds than the 2.4 GHz band. Step 8. Consider using an Ethernet cable for a direct connection if Wi-Fi speeds remain slow, providing a more stable and faster connection for your Etsy activities. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.